Good morning to one and all. Myself, Mohammad Kashif Mansoori, as the group leader, and Satvik Parihar, Mahima Chandna, Keshvi Sachdev, Vedant Samdani, Priyam Sodani as the group members to have a comparative study on cultural and geographical features of two Indian states of the country located at the two extreme points Maharashtra and Gujarat.
Introduction to Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western peninsular region of India, occupying a substantial portion of the Deccan Plateau. As the home of the Marathi people, Maharashtra is the second most populous state in India, as well as the second most populous country division. Maharashtra was formed on 1st May 1960 by splitting the bilingual Bombay state, which had existed since 1956. The state capital is Mumbai, the most populous urban area in India. The Godavari and the Krishna are the two major rivers in the state. Marathi is the most widely spoken language and is also the official language of the state. Spread over 3 lakh 7,713 km square, it is the third largest state by area in India. Maharashtra is bordered by the Arabian Sea, the Indian states Karnataka and Goa, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu to the northwest. The state has three international airports: Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai; Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport, Nagpur; and Pune Airport, Lohegaon, Pune. The state is the home to three railway headquarters: Central Railway, Konkan Railway, and Western Railway.
Introduction to Gujarat. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with a coastline of 1600 km, most of which lies on the Kathiawar Peninsula and a population of 60.4 million. It is the fifth largest Indian state by area and the ninth largest state by population. Gujarat is bordered by Rajasthan to the northeast, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu to the south, Maharashtra to the southeast, Madhya Pradesh to the east, and the Arabian Sea and the Pakistani province of Sindh to the west. Its capital city is Gandhinagar, while its largest city is Ahmedabad. The Gujarati people of India are indigenous to the state, and their language, Gujarati, is the state's official language. It has the largest coastline in India. The state encompasses some sites of the ancient Indus Valley civilization such as Lothal, Dholavira, and Goladhora. Lothal is believed to be one of the world's first seaports, along with Bihar and Nagaland. Gujarat is one of the four Indian states to prohibit the sale of alcohol. The Gir National Park in Gujarat is home to the only wild population of the Asiatic lion in the world. Gujarat is the westernmost state of India.
Culture of Maharashtra.
Maharashtra is the third largest state
Of India, it has a long history.
Varakar religious movement such as Dhyaneshwar, Namdev, Chokhamila, Eknath and Tukaram, which forms one of the basis of culture of Maharashtra or Marathi culture. Maharashtra had huge influence over India under the 17th century King Shivaji of the Maratha Empire and his concept of Hindavi Swaraj, which translates to self-rule of people. The state of Maharashtra spans multiple cultures which include cultures related to Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, Sikhs, Christians, etc. Lord Ganesha, Maruti, Mahadev in the form of Shivlinga, Khandoba, Kalubai Devi and Lord Vitthal are some of the deities worshipped by Hindus of Maharashtra.
Maharashtra is divided into various regions such as
Marathwada, Vidarbha, Khandesh and Konkan. Each has its own culture identity in the form of different dialects of Marathi language, folk songs, food and ethnicity.
Culture of Gujarat. Handcrafted products displaying intricate Gujarati art forms are not only popular in our country but are a well-known entity all across the globe. Gujarat serves as a producer of some of the most creative and elegant furnishing that includes bed covers, quilts, cushion covers, table mats, etc. It integrates dainty patterns which are woven on the patola saris with its high precision. The traditional art form of this estate plays a significant role for preserving its rich heritage. The folk music of Gujarat is known as Sugam Sangeet and has acclaimed worldwide fame. As Gujaratis are quite enthusiastic and amiable, they have many traditional forms of dances. The four major dances are Dandiya Ras, Garba, Garbi and Padhar. Although Gujarati is the mother tongue of the natives of Gujarat, there are many other languages also spoken widely throughout the state. The natives of Kutch, a semi-arid region in the Gujarat, speaks Kutchi language, which is quite important in that area. The fairs and the festival of Gujarat showcases and real vibrancy and the color of its diverse culture. A Ranotsav, which is a major festival of Gujarat, witnesses an exquisite carnival of music, dance and natural beauty.
Diversity of Maharashtra. Flora of Maharashtra is heterogeneous in composition. In 2012, the recorded thick forest areas in the state was 61,939 km per square, which is about 20.13% of the state geographical area. There are three main public forestry institutions in the Maharashtra state: the Maharashtra Forest Development, the Forest Development Corporation of Maharashtra, and the Director of Social Forestry. The Maharashtra State Biodiversity Board, constituted by the Government of Maharashtra in January 2012 under the Biological Diversity Act 2002, is the notable body for conservation of biodiversity within and outside forest areas in the state. Some of the forest areas have been converted into wildlife reserves, thus preserving their biodiversity. Western Ghats of Maharashtra are included in the 34 global biodiversity. The biodiversity includes more than 500 species of birds.
Biodiversity of Gujarat. Gujarat state has many biodiversity hotspots. Little Ran of Kutch, Greater Ran of Kutch, Jamnagar, Porbandar, Velwadar, Thol Lake, etc. is home to passage migratory birds and winter migratory birds. It has unique flora which is resistant to saline water and sustain itself in arid, semi-arid and salty soil. Human encroachment is shrinking these unique habitats and we need to create a biodiversity list to prevent human encroachment. The majestic Asiatic loyan and wild ass have their last resorts of the world in Gujarat. The faunal biodiversity consists of 14% of fishes, 18% of reptiles, 37% of avifauna and 25% of mammal species diversities of the country. Gujarat has total geographical area of 1,96,024 square kilometer, out of which 18,961.69 square kilometer is declared forest area. State has wide variations in geophysical and ecoclimatic conditions, ranging from hot saline deserts to humid hilly tracts and from coast to high hills, which has resulted into formation of various types of forests.